Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to make an object fall in Godot game engine. So yeah, let's get started. So I will just create one new Godot project. I'll just name it as demo. I'll just save it on the desktop, save it wherever you feel like. I'll just create a project. Let's just wait. I'll just create one 2D scene and I'll just name it as game so that it is a parent scene. I'll command S to save it. Okay, then I'll create a new scene. I'll name it as area 2D. You can take whatever you feel like, but I think an area 2D makes more sense when an object is falling, but yeah, it's not necessary. I'll add a collision shape to it and I'll also add a sprite 2D to it. Now I'll just move the sprite 2D up, and here I'll just drag and drop this Godot icon to the sprite 2D. Then here is our collision shape 2D. I'll just add this new rectangle shape to this, and I'll just drag and drop this particular collision shape to it as well. Okay, I'll just do command S to save it, and if you want you can name it differently. I'll just save it. Okay, and I'll attach one script to this. Now to make an object fall, what you just need to do is you need to override the process function, and inside that you can just take position dot y plus equal to 100 multiplied by delta. That's it. Command S to save it, and then just before we run it we have to go back to our game. Here we have to click on this button. I'll just add area to this, and I'll just make the game as the parent scene. I'll select current. Okay, and here you can see the object is falling. If you want to like move it to some other place, you can just go to your game, click on this icon of move, and maybe move it to the center. I'll just do command S, and here you can see this is how our object is falling. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.